Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. Let's see what happened to my feet in the last field visit for office work. My feet are exposed to the sun a lot. Then I managed to remove the sunburns with my natural beauty hacks. I know how we girls suffer from foot sunburns like this. However, I have a natural way to get rid of these types of problems. Today I'm going to share it with you, my beauty queens. This is a 3-step process and watch till the end. I will explain it simply. To see more natural beauty videos, click on the subscribe button and join our AyuQuinn family. First, I'm going to tell you how I wash my feet before starting the treatments. We need to clean the feet because usually it contains many dirty particles and dust. For this, we need slightly warm water, 1 tablespoon of salt and a lime slice. First add salt to the water and squeeze the lime into it. Then dip your legs in the water and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and rub it well. Then take your legs out and with a dry towel, softly sponge and remove the water from the legs. Stay till the end, we will make the secret foot sunburn healing oil in the end. Our next step is making our foot scrub. For that, you need 1 tablespoon of coffee and sugar and a lime slice. The fine blend of lemon, which contains vitamin C, and coffee, which is very famous for skin lightening, will deeply remove the dead skin cells and nourishes your skin. Put the coffee into a small dish and add sugar, then mix it well. And then squeeze the lime into it for a thick consistency. Don't throw away this lime rind because we can use it for scrubbing. This amount will be enough only for one-time use. You can increase the amount you take as needed. Now we are going to scrub and remove dead skin cells. Spread the foot scrub on your feet and rub it well until all the dead skin is removed from the feet. For scrubbing, you can use the lime rind which we used earlier. Let's start making our foot sunburn healing oil. Take 1 carrot and a cup of coconut oil. Take the carrot scraper and grate it or cut it into small pieces. Since we are going to make oil, we need carrots without its moisture. If we put carrots with water, we cannot preserve the oil long. If we do not do the next step, in some days there will be a bad smell in the oil. I know this from my experience. This is the important tip. Take a tissue or a clean cloth and place the grated carrots in it and press it until its moisture is absorbed. Then put the carrots into a dry glass or a metal container. Then add your coconut oil into it and make sure the oil level is sufficient to cover the carrots. We use double boiling method for making this oil. I prefer to use double boiling method because it helps to maintain a constant and gentle heat all over the bowl and it helps to protect the vitamins from the heat. Now keep a bowl in the fire and put the container inside the water. After 10 minutes, you will notice changes in the coconut oil color. The specialty of carrot oil is that it increases the skin's resistance to the sunlight. It is one of the best natural skin lighteners. Then leave it to cool and strain all the particles. Now your carrot oil is ready. Pour some carrot oil into your hand, then rub it gently into your feet and massage it well. You can see how it absorbs to the skin. This is very important to my beauty queens. Apply carrot oil in the evening after 5 o'clock or night. Don't apply in the daytime. This is a secret tip from my grandma. Make sure you apply it in the evening or night. For instant results, you can repeat this regularly. At least try to do this 3 times a week. This is what I usually do when I get these types of sunburns on my leg. But make sure not to apply this in the daytime. You can only apply this at night. Repeat it for 1 week to see the best results. Try this out and let me know the results in the comment section below. Catch you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.